as a high school teacher. I am a biology teacher. I am here to teach a lesson on class 10 biology. We have a topic of nutrition in human beings. Now I am here to explain about the digestion and the organs of digestive system in human beings. First of all, let us know what is meant by digestion. Digestion is nothing but it's a process of breakdown of the larger molecules of food into its simple form so that it can be easily absorbed by the bloodstream in our body. There are two types of digestion. One is a mechanical digestion and the next is a chemical digestion. What exactly is a mechanical digestion? Mechanical digestion is nothing but it's a physical process of breaking down the food into smaller pieces. The mouth is an organ which helps us to break down the food into small pieces. So the mechanical digestion starts with the mouth. Next is a chemical digestion. Chemical digestion is nothing but the breakdown of complex substances in the food into its simple form so that it can be easily absorbed by the blood plasma in our body. So now let us explore what are the organs that involves in the process of digestion and their function in the part of digestion. Now let us get into the organs that help us to digest the food what we are eating. Here we have a model of digestive system. You could see there are various organs which involves in the process of digestion. Now let us see one by one what are the organs which involves in the process of digestion. First, the process of digestion starts with the mouth, then salivary gland, next esophagus, stomach, liver, next the small intestine, then the large intestine and finally the rectum. These were the different organs that together form a digestive system. The function of all these organs is to digest the food what we are eating. Every organ will play a special role in the process of digestion. And now let us see what is the function of mouth in the process of digestion. Mouth have a teeth that helps us to chew and grind the food as a paste and make it soft. So, the salivary gland in the mouth also secrete an enzyme called salivary amylase that helps to break down the larger molecules of a food into its simple form. So, the actual process of digestion starts with the mouth. Due to the secretion of salivary amylase, the larger molecules of food starts to break down into a smaller molecules. Once if the food got chewed and grinded by our teeth, they mix completely with the saliva, and once we swallow the food passes through the esophagus, the pipe-like structure called esophagus, which is also called as a food pipe. Through a food pipe, the food reaches our stomach. After reaching the stomach, the actual process of digestion starts with the stomach. Stomach is a bag-like structure that helps to store the food what we are eating. Stomach will secrete a digestive enzymes called hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus that get thoroughly mixed with the food in order to digest the food what we ate. The hydrochloric acid which is secreted by the stomach will make the medium of the food acidic that kills the germs present in the food. Next, the pepsin which is secreted by the inner walls of the stomach helps in the digestion of proteins in the food what we ate. Then finally, mucus helps to protect the inner lining of the stomach from the concentration of hydrochloric acid which is secreted by the stomach. All these gastric juices or the digestive enzymes get thoroughly mixed with the food in the stomach, and all the complex substances, the larger molecules of food, have been broken down into smaller molecules as a simple substances that can be easily available to absorb by the bloodstream. Now, from the stomach, food passes to the small intestine. Small intestine is the largest part in the human digestive system. It is the lengthiest part in the human digestive system. Meanwhile, when the food is pushed from the stomach to the small intestine, the liver will secrete its enzyme called a bile juice that helps in the digestion of fatty molecules in the food what we ate. So, the liver directly pours its secretion into the small intestine, and once if the food passes through the small intestine have a finger-like projection on its walls called villi. These villi are richly supplied with blood vessels that helps in the absorption of nutrients from the food what we are eating. There are so many nutrients that is present in the food like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fats. The bloodstream got easily absorb all these nutrients with the help of villi in the small intestine, and finally after the absorption of all the nutrients, the undigested food, the unwanted and undigested food have been passed to the large intestine from the small intestine. Once the undigested food called roughage passes to the large intestine, the walls of the large intestine will absorb the excess water which is present in the undigested food. At the end of the large intestine, through our rectum, the undigested food will come out of our body. So, the entire path starting from the mouth till the rectum in the digestive system is called as the alimentary canal. The food enters into the mouth and the undigested food came out of our body through rectum. So, it's a complete process of digestion, and every organ in the digestive system will do its very own functions, and together they helps to digest the food what we are eating and help the human beings to absorb the nutrients which is needed by the cells in their body. So, hope you all understand the process of digestion. See you all in the next class. Bye bye.